欢迎大家收看 K-pop Dinner Hunt。今天我们要做的是 Speedy Korean Fried Chicken Tacos。Yum!
And she said, how much is that? It's only like 5,000 RMB. And I said, okay, then you transfer to me.
简而言之就是要
And
钱
she's
被
like,
拒绝。
stop talking.
Extraordinary.
Cute.
Oh my god!
How much oil?
Much. Okay, ready or love this?
我觉得我这一段的背景音乐选的特别好，让人一听就是对生活充满了向往。
Extraordinary.
好贤惠啊！开饭啦！开饭啦！看上去是不是又健康又美味呢？做法也是超级的简单，食材我也列在下面了。一定要好好吃饭哦！拜拜。
Do it again.